Welcome back to eedrummer. Today's video is a continuation of a video I put out last month comparing kick mics. However, for today, my focus is on muffling, specifically external muffling. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm currently using an Evans EMAD2 drumhead on the kick drum. This drumhead supports external muffling through a foam ring. There's a plastic ring on the drumhead itself that allows for insertion of a foam ring, and the drumhead package comes with two different foam rings, a fat ring and a skinny ring. Now I do use internal muffling, I have a pillow on the inside of my drum, but I'm curious as to how these different rings affect the sound of the drum itself. So for today's video, I'm going to reduce the number of mics we work with down to specific microphones that were popular or microphone combinations that were popular, and compare the sounds with no ring, the skinny ring, and the fat ring. I hope you find this useful. I hope you found that useful. The results were a lot more subtle than they have been with some of the microphone comparison videos that I've done. However, I did notice, at least for me, the D6 interior mic made a bigger difference between the different muffling systems. Let me know what your thoughts are below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.